Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. This time I've made a Palak egg curry. This is a super different curry that you can have with your chapathi for dinner. It can be a side dish for rice dishes as well. So the ingredients required for this dish is given below. You can check out the list in the description box. So I've got lots of such sabzi and egg recipes on my channel. So do subscribe and like and share to see these recipes. So let's jump right into the recipe. So I've taken some boiling water into which I've added some spinach. I'm going to blanch it for some time, then wash it under cold water and puree it along with some green chilli and ginger. In another pan, I've added some oil and then added cumin seeds and cinnamon to this and let it splutter. After which I'll be adding some chopped onion into this. I've also chopped some garlic along with the onion. Now after adding the onion and the garlic, we'll saute it until their color changes. And then follow it up by adding tomatoes, which I've just chopped. Now we'll cook everything until the tomatoes turn soft. Then we'll add in turmeric, red chilli powder and garam masala powder to this mixture, along with the pureed palak, ginger and green chilli paste. Now we'll mix everything together and let it cook for some time on medium flame. I'm adding salt to taste and then further cooking it down for another 5 more minutes. And the palak is ready. Now it's time to add the boiled eggs into this. So boil the eggs separately and then cut and add them into the gravy. And your simple curry is ready to be served with roti and rice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.